Alrighty. 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 We are all set up here. All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, WFS. How are you doing today? I am going to try and get out the iFVG update today. I sent over the file to the licensing guy. If he can get it done. It is holiday season, so, you know. But, yeah. So, hope everyone's doing good though. Market is now open and we are pumping up here on the open. We have our 50% level. Move this over here. We have our 50% level at 673, which we are at pretty much right now. So this right here, this blue line is our 50% level. We're crossing above that. And our next high that I'm watching is London high at 728, Asia high at 738. Looks like we are making a run for that right now, right as we speak. So this is a very, very big pump up here on the open. Again, Asia, London high at 728. That is definitely the draw. And Asia high at 738. Again, overnight with the bot, 2 loss with these settings. Again, it's Christmas week. It's not a week you should be running big money on funded accounts. So There's a sweep of London high at 728 and Asia high missed by about a point. If you wanted to like try a long or something right now, just targeting Asia high. It's only wait for a pullback into a little fair value gap here. Like we just have right now. Could also find some sort of inverse fair value gap setup here. Would want to see us go get Asia. Would want to see us go get Asia. This will be the last live stream of the week too, by the way, guys. Last live stream of the week. We'll come back next week. Everyone enjoy the holidays. So also have we do have a little sale going on right now as well. I started a lifetime sale. So if you want, it's $250 off of lifetime. Guys, this is a 30-second gap that I'm looking at. It's a 1 minute here as well, but 30-second gap or this 1 minute, either one works. If we can get a closure above this, I would long, targeting Asia high, because we missed Asia high by 3 ticks. I think it's good. Okay, long on the 1 minute right 30-second did inverse pretty much. I would take a stab pretty much right here. Stab long. Well, 30-second actually didn't close. It missed the close by two or three ticks. See if the 1 minute closes though. This is the 1 minute on the chart here. And okay, even the bot took it. Even the bot took it. Okay, I really like that. I really like this. Asia high is right up here. This is A quality to me. A little bit of a tight stop. It's only 13-point stop. But I do actually really like this. We got a pullback with Asia high up here. The only issue is we did sweep London high already. So we'll see. But I like it. Even if it loses, it's a good trade. Okay, that can I trade with 800? Well, you can use prop firm. Hey Joe, it's going good. Going good. Just on sim. You know, volume, all that's gonna be really weird next few days. So I'm not trading any funded accounts this week. So I'll be waiting until the new year probably to trade funded accounts. So saw you got your own algo going as well, Gio. How's that going? I do still like this trade. We actually never closed on the 30-second chart, but 1 minute we did. So gotcha. Cool, man. Cool. Is it like a scalpy algo, or is there like a win rate that you got, or risk reward that's been tested or something, or overall stats on it? Three to 8 R trades. Wow, that's really good. What's the win rate on that then, if it's that high of R? Yeah, it did. I see that. Depends heavily on settings. Gotcha. Do you change settings like day to day, or what's that look like? Icebergs are great for using tiny stop losses. Yeah. Oh, gotcha. Cool. I'd be interested in testing it out myself. If you want another hand, I just like checking out algos. You know how it is. So we need one. Only need the normal and fast market settings. The fast one with high. I gotcha. Yeah, like bigger order icebergs or something. The fast. That sounds cool. Everything runs in NinjaTrader, saw you say. Yeah, I would love to partner up, Gio. I know you're smart with all that, all the trading stuff. And you know, HFT did leave the server because he's just focusing on his own thing right now. Still have his algos in the server, but like, I'd be happy to chat with you about replacing kind of what he had, what I gave him in the Discord. So could figure something out if you want to DM back and forth a little bit. So you let me know about that, but DMs are always open, so sounds fair. It would be down DM. Yeah, for sure. I mean, that's kind of what I do with Ben, me and Ben. You know, Ben does the coding, I don't code. And I do the marketing side, which marketing isn't easy either. But you know, I don't mind making YouTube videos. I like doing that a little bit. So YouTube, Twitter, stuff like that. So plus I gotta figure out some other ways of doing some YouTube videos. Like, the videos haven't been getting tons of views lately, but icebergs is like a order flow term for, I would just, for ease of use thing, like big orders or something in and out of the market, or big false orders, if that makes any sense. Cool. Yeah, DM me, Gio. We could definitely figure something out and kind of work together. I'd be happy to do that. Be very happy to do that. Icebergs, like hidden big orders, kind of. Yeah. I don't know why I'm looking for the code tab on TradingView and I cannot find it right now. I don't know if they moved it or if I'm dumb right now. It used to be like a code tab right at the bottom. Well, guys, we swept Asia. I told you I'd like this long. We just got stopped out first, but I did really like this. told you. We just needed to break above that 30-second. And we did, so. Where the heck is the code? I just can't move from your... Very smart man, Gio. Very smart man. Gio, this is a very odd question. You don't have to answer. I don't know why I just thought about this, but I was wondering how old you are. We have a lot of different ages in this community. I don't know why that was on my mind just now, but okay. Mid to early 20s. Gotcha. So 23, 24, 25. Okay. There it is. They did move it. Okay, it's on the right side for the code. gonna be a boring rest of the week, guys. I think. Holidays really create a suboptimal environment for grade one. Well, good thing about that algo, Geo, if you take a loss, you've got good RR expectancy. Hey, Joey, do you have historical data or journal to support your bot? We do, man. A lot of YouTube videos I have, so if you want to click on just the YouTube channel, tons of stuff. We live stream every day, as well as lots of posts in the actual Discord server. Lots of posts. So we have pinned messages in the general chat. We have testimonial posts of people getting funded and payouts. Yeah, so but tons of information on the YouTube as well. I do most of my stuff just on YouTube. So each of us need to set our own set file. No, I mean, we have settings posted on the WAP and stuff, but it's always encouraged, like, once you understand the bot and you have a good, like, we give out, like, I'd say a good base point, base starting point for settings, which can make you money if you stick to it, right? But once you understand the bot, it's always good to take some time on the weekends, back test, because there's tons of ways to change settings to get drastically different results in a very good way or a bad way, depending on what you change. But group trading, I don't know what you mean by group trading. I mean, we do have a private group, so after you would purchase the bot, we do have private inverse value gap Discord group and stuff, but which everyone shares settings, everyone talks in there. It's a little quiet this week because it's a holiday week. I do expect more people to be back around the new year, but yeah. No one's gotten banned ever in our group from using a bot. Our bot's not like it's not a high frequency bot. We're also getting a 1 minute short here, guys. 1 minute short. I do really like this, actually. The only thing is that we're in this giant 1 minute gap, but we had a sweep of London and Asia high. This one's nice. I like it. Yeah, most firms don't like high frequency algos. Our bot takes a few trades a day generally. It's not really high frequency, and no one's ever been detected same trade between traders. No, it's not really something we worry about ever. Got another double from you. Yeah, I do really like this trade. This is the best trade of the day, definitely, and a win. So nice win there, 1-to-1. This one I think might go further. I think it might go way further, but this one's nice. Nice B+ setup. Maybe even A-. Again, we swept London high here. We swept Asia high here. Had the gap. Had the short. Nice 1-to-1. 50% level. Actually, it's perfect. 50% levels at 80. So we just came down. TP was right at the 50% level of the range. We're bouncing off of that now. Great trade. Even this trade was also really good. Just pulled back a little bit more first. So that was really nice. That was really nice. Yeah, I don't know. Never seen that before. That was a nice one there. Quick $500 and a total of 25 points or so. So pretty good. Pretty good there. Ooh, that lighting is... Oof. Well, guys, it's 10 o'clock. I think we'll call it here. We just had a nice trade. Again, we're going to be gone the rest of the week. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, so happy holidays to everyone. Thursday's Christmas, and then Friday is the day after Christmas, so still no trading there. We'll be back next week. Everyone enjoy the holidays. Merry Christmas for whatever you guys celebrate. Gio, feel free to DM me. We can chat a little bit. And yeah, guys, I'll see everyone next week. See you guys.